Morning lemon ginger drink for tired men over 50. This video is for education and general information only. It's not personal medical advice, so always check in with your own doctor or provider about what's right for you. Before we get started, make sure you stay with me all the way to the end, because I've got a free bonus waiting for you that can really level up your results. With that said, let's jump right in. If you're a man over 50 and you feel like your body doesn't fully wake up until noon, this video is for you. Today you're going to learn exactly how to make a simple lemon ginger morning drink, the best time to drink it, and one easy movement habit that can help you feel more alert and alive before 8 a.m. Let me tell you about Mike. Mike is 54, lives in Phoenix, works a desk job, and for the past 2 years he's been waking up feeling like he barely slept. Groggy. Bloated. His first instinct every morning was to pour a giant mug of coffee just to function. Sound familiar? Mike wasn't sick, but he wasn't thriving either. Then he made one small change to his morning routine. Not a pill, not a complicated protocol, just a drink and a 5-minute movement habit. Within a week, his mornings shifted. And today, you're going to learn exactly what he did and why it actually works for men in their 50s specifically. Before we go deeper, let's talk about why mornings are so hard after 50. Here's the truth. Your body changes significantly as you age. Stomach acid naturally decreases. Circulation slows down overnight. Cortisol, which is your body's natural wake-up hormone, doesn't spike as sharply in the morning as it did in your 30s. And your nervous system takes longer to shift from rest mode into alert mode. So that sluggish, foggy, bloated feeling isn't laziness. It's biology. The good news is you can work with your biology instead of fighting it. Let's break this down into 3 clear pillars. Pillar 1 is hydration and digestion. Pillar 2 is the lemon ginger drink and how to make it correctly. Pillar 3 is the one morning movement habit that wakes your body up fast. Pillar 1. Hydration and your gut in the morning. Most men over 50 wake up mildly dehydrated. You've been lying still for 7 or 8 hours. You haven't had a drop of water. Your digestive system is slow. Your blood is thicker. And your brain is running on empty. Before anything else, your body needs water. Not coffee. Water first. This simple shift alone can improve morning energy because your kidneys, liver, and digestive system all need fluid to start processing waste from overnight. Think of it like rinsing out a machine before you turn it on. 16 ounces of plain warm water within the first 5 minutes of waking sets the stage for everything that follows. Now here's where it gets interesting. And stay with me here because this is the part most people skip entirely. Pillar 2. The lemon ginger drink. Here is exactly how to make it. Take 8 to 12 ounces of warm water, not boiling, just warm. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or good quality ginger powder. Optional, add a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper if you can handle mild heat. That's it. No fancy equipment. No expensive ingredients. Total cost is less than 50 cents per serving. Now here is why this matters if you're over 50. Lemon juice is mildly acidic, which can help prime your stomach acid production. Remember, stomach acid naturally decreases with age, and low stomach acid leads to bloating, slow digestion, and that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals. Ginger has been studied for its role in supporting digestive motility, which basically means it helps move things along in your gut more efficiently. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that may support joint comfort and circulation. And circulation is everything when you're trying to wake up your body and brain in the morning. Cayenne, if you choose to add it, contains compounds that may gently support blood flow and thermogenesis, which is your body producing a little internal warmth to kickstart your metabolism. The best time to drink this is right after your first glass of plain water, ideally within 15 to 20 minutes of waking up, and before your coffee. That sequence matters. Water first, lemon ginger drink second, coffee third. That order gives your digestive system a chance to wake up naturally before you hit it with caffeine. Quick tip. If you have acid reflux or any gastric sensitivities, check with your doctor before adding the lemon drink to your routine. This is educational content, not medical advice, and everyone's body responds differently. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. It genuinely helps this channel reach more men who need this kind of practical information. Now let's talk about Pillar 3, the movement habit. Here's something that surprises a lot of people. 5 minutes of gentle movement in the morning is more powerful for waking up your nervous system than 20 minutes of movement done 2 hours later. Why? Because early movement signals your brain that it's time to shift out of sleep mode. It activates your sympathetic nervous system just enough to increase circulation, raise your core temperature slightly, and release a natural burst of dopamine. Here is the simple routine. After your lemon ginger drink, spend 5 minutes doing this sequence. 10 slow neck rolls, 10 shoulder circles, 20 bodyweight squats done slowly and controlled, 1 minute of deep breathing while walking in place. That's it. No gym required. Mike started doing this in his kitchen while his coffee brewed. Within a few days, he noticed he wasn't reaching for his phone first thing. He was actually moving. And that momentum carried into the rest of his morning. The truth is, men over 50 don't need complicated biohacking routines. They need consistent, simple habits that align with how their bodies actually work at this stage of life. Hydration supports your systems. The lemon ginger drink supports digestion and circulation. The 5-minute movement habit wakes up your nervous system. Together, these 3 pillars create a morning that feels intentional instead of exhausting. Remember, small, consistent actions beat perfect plans that never happen. Start with just the warm water tomorrow morning. Add the drink the day after. Add the movement the day after that. Build it layer by layer. Mike now wakes up at 5:45 a.m. and genuinely looks forward to his morning. You can get there too. Ready to accelerate your results? Head to the description by tapping More twice and watch your next must-see video, or click it here on your screen. It will help skyrocket your progress and kickstart your journey, so watch it now while it's fresh in your mind. If these videos help you connect the dots with your health, the best way to say thanks is to tap like and subscribe. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps me keep making it free for you. Also, don't forget to grab your free keto ebook in the description and join our health community for more simple, natural health-boosting tips. Thank you for watching. Your support truly means a lot.